Hello, this is the Carado Edition 24 off-road camper van. I'm going to give you a very quick look at it. Now for something like this you're looking somewhere around 90,000 euros. Depends on the kit, of course, which is going to make a big difference on the price. And if it's a 4x4 you might be wanting some extra kit, or you may not be. Now this is down here on the floor to protect it, and on the bed there's some work going on because there's something being done to it, so that's the why I didn't touch the boxes. Big bed here at the back. You've got storage above the bed, and you can see it's quite large storage at that. Over here we have got, and I shall remove this, we've got this very nice looking washroom, and it's got two drainage plugs, points for the shower. And coming around now to the kitchen, we've got here a fridge. It's one of these fridges that opens both ways. We've got here a sink, and here we've got two burners. Storage, of course, beneath the burners, and also because it's got this unusual shape to the entrance. And I've never actually seen that way done before, in that type of way. Here we've got a little bit of storage as well, not a lot. Should you want a power point here, shore power. Small dinette here. Of course the table can be extended if possible. And I forgot to mention the sensible sliding door for the shower and washroom. The Ford is, in my opinion, extremely impressive in its off-road performance, and I have given it a go. As you'd expect, mosquito net, but this comes in two parts. Notice how this is over there like that, and then they meet together. But that is a very unusual mosquito net. I'll take you and show you the back quickly. So here we've got lots and lots of storage here at the back, and not only that, you can take this up and move the bed to one side should you need to carry some bulky stuff around with you. This is the gas cupboard, and there's space in there for two gas cylinders. So I hope you found that interesting, and tried to do that in under 3 minutes. So all the best from me in Germany.